Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am unboxing and testing Pastel Rainbow Trays from Diamond Art Club. When you buy a diamond painting kit from Diamond Art Club, you will get a tray like this in the toolkit. So you get a large tray. It has a cover which slides off, so it keeps everything nice and clean inside. So if you leave the drills in and leave it overnight for a few days, when you open it up, it's always nice and clean inside. Also comes with a stopper. So every time you buy a kit, you will get a white tray. So Diamond Art Club decided it was time to add a little bit of colour. So they released the Pastel Rainbow Trays. So this is how they come. This is the packaging. It says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, Pastel Rainbow Trays, portable, stackable with lids, 7 diamond painting trays. So we have 7 different colours in here. On the side we can see the different colours. On the back, streamline your diamond painting process with these large pastel rainbow stackable trays, complete with a lid and stopper to prevent spills and keep your workspace organised. The elongated spout allows easy pouring of diamonds back into storage, while the stackable design offers convenience and portability, perfect for crafting on the go. Then we have warning, choking hazard, contains small parts. That will be the stopper. Just keep out of reach of small children. You don't want them accidentally swallowing that stopper. And I think that's pretty much it. So to open it, so a little bit of sticky stuff here and here. Open up and I'll have a look at them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So nice little rainbow of pastel colours there. I think the reason for this is for people who want to add a bit of colour to the table, but also for people who have those stackable racks where they put their trays in, they put the different colours in them. So instead of just having a wall of white, you have all these nice pastel colours. So there are a few things I'm curious about. I'm just wondering how they compare to the original. They look the same. They feel the same, so it feels like they're made of the same stuff. Just checking the size. Looks exactly the same to me. Yep, I'd say these are exactly the same, but I did notice on the box, wherever I put it, it says elongated spout. Now these trays were released quite a while back and they sold out. They went really fast. The elongated spout, I think, was a change from the original white trays. The white trays originally, this spout was shorter than this. This is a very recent tray. This is from the last unboxing I did, so this is the latest tray. And I think what they've done is they've had the shorter spout ones. They brought out the rainbow trays. They modified them to make the spout a bit longer, and they've kept that design for the white trays. That's what I think has happened, because I was curious to see if they were different, but they are exactly the same size. So we have 7 different colours. Could be for someone who just likes to change the colours on the table. If you are the type of person like me who only uses one tray at a time, you can switch them out. You could even match them with the diamond painting, that sort of thing, just a bit of fun. But again, if you have the sort of stacking rack systems, it definitely makes them look a lot better, I think, just all that colour. I mean, most diamond painters enjoy colour. So I think that's why they brought them out, just add a little bit more fun. So you can't buy them individually. They come in a pack of 7. At the moment, they are out of stock, but I have heard a rumour that they are going to be coming back very soon. So if you go to the Diamond Art Club website at diamondartclub.com and you find the trays in the accessories section, you can click on notify when available. So you click on that and you will get an email that will tell you that they're back in stock. And I did read in the Diamond Art Club group that they are coming back. So if you're interested in them, hit the notify me button, and then you'll be getting a message as soon as they go up on the website. I just want to give them a little test. I mean, as I said, they look as if they're exactly the same as the white ones, but there was something that I haven't actually done before that I thought I may as well try it here. So I'm going to pick the blue one because blue is my favourite colour. And as you can see, if I put it the right way, they are stackable. There is a little ridge on the base that sinks down and sits on the lid of the tray underneath. So even if you don't have the rack that people seem to be, a lot of people seem to have these rack systems, but even if you don't have that, you could still stack them just standing up. And then they don't take up as much space on your desk, and you could put the DMC code labels on the front and keep them like this. It's really up to you. We all work different ways, but that is an option. So I'll put these to the side and just open it up. The other thing about the Diamond Art Club trays is the ridges are pretty deep. In fact, I think that could be, yeah, I don't know if it's just the colour. I think it is just the colour. It made it look as if these ridges were deeper, but I don't think they are. It looks exactly the same as the white one. So what I wanted to try was pouring some drills in it and pouring the drills into a couple of different container shapes. So I've got the drills here. I'll just pour them in and give them a little shake. The thing again about the Diamond Art Club trays is they are very deep. So when you're shaking the tray, there's very little chance of the drills jumping off the side. And because the ridges are quite high, it means the drills sit in the channels and don't jump over from channel to channel as much as they would if it was a shallow ridge. So that was just a quick shake, and then what I want to do is take the stopper off, and then I want to try pouring this back into a Tic Tac container. Now, Tic Tac containers don't seem to be very popular with most people. I've been using them since I started diamond painting and I still use them. But the problem can be they are pretty narrow to try and pour drills back in. So I want to give it a try with this tray and just see how it works. So all I would do is hold my thumb and finger either side and then just tip it up. Give it a tap, get drills to go down. I've got a couple stuck. That's it. And a little piece of trash. So it works absolutely fine, even with the Tic Tac containers. As I said, they are pretty narrow, and that could have been a problem, but it wasn't. The other type of container that people use are these little tubs with the screw top. So I'm not expecting any problems, but I just want to do it again. So drills in the tray, give the tray a little shake, and then unscrew the top, tip it in. You can see the nozzle actually fits right inside the round containers. So really fast apart from the occasional one that sticks and a little bit of trash there. Really fast to pour them back in. A lot of other trays you'll find that the nozzle part is very thin, and when you tip up the tray, the drills go down, but then maybe 2 drills go in at the same time and they jam, and then all the drills pile up behind them, and if you don't notice it, they all spill over. So it is wider, and that stops that from happening. So really fast at switching over the drills if you're working from one tray. So I just wanted to try it, see how it worked. Had a look at the stopper as well. There is only one way it goes. If you try and put it in that way, it doesn't fit. So if you see a dot, it goes in the bottom. But nice trays. I like the colours a lot. Makes a nice change from just seeing the plain old white one. So we'll just put them back again. Just to let you see the colours. So white one isn't included, but if you've bought any Diamond Art Club kits in the recent past, you will already have at least one of these. So that's it. Nice and quick video for me. That was the Pastel Rainbow Trays from Diamond Art Club. So that was the Pastel Rainbow Trays from Diamond Art Club. I like them. It's surprising how it makes a difference, just adding a bit of colour to your table, and I think people will buy them, and just so they can swap the colours out and get something a bit different. They are, as far as I can see, they are exactly the same as the white trays you get. So nothing different about them. As I said, I think the original white trays, the spout on them was a bit shorter, and then they brought out these trays, and I think they used that design for future white trays. So it's just the colour, that is the only difference. But I have seen pictures where people have got those racking systems and they've used these rainbow trays, and it does look pretty cool. And I think that's why they sold out very quickly. People were looking for them for those racks, and they can take quite a few trays. But I think other people were just looking for something to brighten up their table while they worked. That was the first time I've actually tested them in the Tic Tac containers. I wasn't sure how well it was going to work because the spout is wider than you get on, I think, pretty much all of the trays that you get as standard from other companies. They tend to have a very narrow nozzle, and when you tilt the tray up, you always get 2 drills going side by side and just stick, and then everything just piles up on top. And normally what I do is tip it up and then use a pair of tweezers to separate those two, pour a little bit, they jam again, separate them, jam again, eventually they're back in. These trays it doesn't happen. So it's just a matter of taking the stopper off, tip it up, and they pour straight into the container. So a lot less frustrating, and saves time as well. So yeah, I mean, I've always liked the Diamond Art Club trays. They're way above what you can normally expect as a standard tray from a diamond painting company. Well made. I really like the sliding cover, so you can leave the trays out and you don't get up in the next morning and find that you've got cat hairs or dog hairs sitting in it. So yeah, really good idea. Simple design, but it works very, very well. As I said, they sold out really fast, but I have heard a rumour in the DAC VIP group that they are going to be coming back very soon. So if you're interested in them, I would definitely recommend you go to diamondartclub.com, go to accessories, find the trays, and hit the notify button. So you'll be in with a chance, because I know a lot of people are waiting on them coming back. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video and you would like to see more unboxings, unbaggings, comparisons, basically anything to do with diamond painting, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you do that, you'll get a little message when a new video comes up. I have a lot of videos to record, so there are going to be a lot of new videos coming pretty soon. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.